My dear lovable student friends, Pranam, Namaskar, Vanakkam. I am the President of the Association of Indian Universities of New Delhi. We have almost 1,100 universities as members. As a representative of the renowned association of 100 years old and as the Vice Chancellor of Ahmed University, Chennai, I would like to share few of my thoughts to you as far as eradicating the COVID-19 and taking preventing measure not to have COVID-19 in our campuses and every one of us as well. Now, thanks to the medical invention and intervention, we have got vaccination by which we can very well safeguard our life, especially we can prevent the killing disease to come to us and take our life. Luckily, most of the institutions of India, they have reopened after a period of around 2 years. All our students and the faculty members are right now in their campuses. At this juncture, I would like to make an appeal to all of you to follow the standard operating procedures and preventing measures. To start with, you have to ensure wearing the mask, that is most mandatory one, that is going to be the most important safety measure to safeguard our life and take care of our own health as well. Secondly, whenever you go out and come back to the house, need not forget to wash your hands and keep your hands always clean. Third and most importantly, you are all in the campuses, even you will be going out of the campus for your academic purpose and to go back to your home. All the time you see that you will be maintaining social distancing at least 1 meter. If you ensure all these type of precautions, certainly you can not only safeguard your life but also helping others also to lead a healthy life. There is a news going around us about the third wave. Whatever wave comes, it will not be a problem once you take all these preventive measures. Wish you all best of luck. Thank you very much indeed.